Hey guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Avengers Infinity War prize kit, so we'll be doing that in just a second, and I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, this is the Avengers Infinity War prize kit, and we are going to be unboxing this to see what's inside, to see if it's a good deal of buying or not. So get ready. So with this set, you get this wall art right here. So it has a bunch of the characters from the Marvel Universe. So you can put that in your wall, in your bedroom, or anywhere that you'd like. So that's pretty cool. You get a blanket, the Avengers blanket, which you can use to sleep, just get warm, and yeah, so that's really cool. You get these two Marvel's Avengers Infinity War pins of Groot and Rocket. These are really, really cool. And you get this Infinity Gauntlet bottle opener. So let's see what's inside. Check out that. That's really cool. This was our mystery item. And look at it. If you you can see all the gems on it. That's really cool. So I think so far this is a good buy. And finally, you get a Marvel Avengers Infinity War cup. So it has some of your favorite Marvel characters on it, and you can drink from it. So, we'll be getting forward to more stuff on this video in just a second. Hey guys, so I hope that you like this video, and as you can see, this is a pretty good buy. Also, soon there's gonna be some more unboxing videos soon because it's Christmas. So I hope that you guys had a good day, and bye.